Unpacking the phrase, Operative's Kit, a guide to understanding. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into the intriguing phrase, Operative's Kit. Whether you're a beginner or advanced learner, this video will shed light on the meaning and usage of this phrase in English. Firstly, let's break down the word operative. An operative is typically someone who is skilled in a particular field, often used in contexts like espionage, surgery, or any field requiring specialized skills. It's important to understand that the term implies professionalism and expertise. Next, we have the word kit. A kit refers to a set of tools, materials, or equipment needed for a specific purpose. In our context, it suggests a collection of items an operative would use. The word kit underscores the idea of preparedness and utility. Now, let's combine these ideas. Operative's kit usually refers to a set of tools or equipment tailored for a professional operative. It implies a customized and specialized collection that enables the operative to perform their duties effectively. To better understand, let's look at some examples. In a spy movie, the character might receive an operative's kit containing gadgets for their mission. In a medical drama, a surgeon's operative's kit includes instruments for surgery. These examples illustrate how the phrase can be adapted to different contexts, always maintaining its core meaning of a specialized set of tools. And that's a wrap on Operative's Kit. We hope this video has been enlightening and adds to your understanding of English phrases. Remember, language is a tool, and like any good operative, it's all about having the right kit. Until next time, keep learning and exploring the vast world of English language.